And by bringing the energy into that area of the psyche, of the organism, which is this meditation, this kriya, a little bit difficult, but doesn't last so long. Okay, like this. Your thumb tips press. We want to go into the subtle field, but it does first especially take some effort. And so it's kind of creating the conditions for the chi to be able to circulate when it tends to be more concentrated in the lower part of the organism, below the diaphragm, lower triangle. Below the diaphragm's the realm of me, and my survival, my desire, my ambition. All of us is true. And then above the diaphragm, you get to the heart, where it becomes also about we. Now we're connected, air element, our interwovenness together. Then you come up even higher, you get into the ether element, you get into the Vishuddha, you get into the power of the sound, power of intelligence, Vishuddha. And then it comes up here, and it goes beyond the 5 elements of earth, water, fire, air, and space. And by bringing the energy into that area of the psyche, of the organism, which is this meditation, this kriya, a little bit difficult, but doesn't last so long. But it's also not, it is also too long, right? In the sense that, yeah, Nima's the wrong person to ask, she'll do it all day. But in the sense that normally you're going to get to the point where, okay, this is no longer easy, and it's putting a difficulty that creates a predicament in the mind and the body. Just do your best. The endeavor is to not drop it, but if you drop it, don't drop the meditation. Don't feel like, oh, I'm not doing it well, I can't do this. No. It's just about kind of taking care of ourselves. And so what you're going to be doing is your thumb tips are together. It's called a white swan mudra. And try it. Your thumb tips together. The other fingers are in. Chest is out. The shoulder blades are dropped. Yeah? Like that. Then you look at that shape. It's like 2 swans with their foreheads together. And you hold it up here. Here's a problem, and don't let your shoulders go down. Remember, that's why we're building core down here, soft up here, shoulders down, spacious up here. So this is called the white swan mudra. And so you hold it like this, then you close your eyes, and you see the white swan's mudra through the closed eyes. In other words, yeah, you see it, or you imagine it, you visualize it. And then you start to make your breath long and slow and deep through the nose. We're not doing this one so super long today. So do what you can to stay present with it, meaning that you're paying attention to the breath. You're endeavoring to keep the body steady and still, the chest out and the shoulder blades release, and you're endeavoring to to see the white swan mudra. All of this can be very, very difficult, but just with a little practice, it starts to come together. And what seems like it wasn't really working at all turns into the very thing that opens it all up into the flow of the intuitive mind, the meditative psyche. The mind of creativity. Deeper the breath through the nose, long, slow, and deep. Deeper the breath, the chest is out, shoulder blades release. And the beautiful white swan. Deeper the breathing, as difficult as it becomes, that deep is the breath. Nourish yourself along your journey with morsels of wisdom. Let kindness bear your burdens for you as the beat of the universe vibrates in your every heartbeat. Beyond time, beyond color, beyond sound, beyond form. Age after age. One vibration. 90 seconds. See the white swan. Steady. Hold the position. Exhale it all. Inhale deep. Hold the posture. See the white swan mudra. The two white swans, foreheads bowing together, the eyes closed. Hold the position through your nose. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Suspend the breath. Lift the root lock. Soften the heart. See the white swan at the third eye. Please hold the position. Exhale through your nose. And the final time, deepest inhale. Suspension. Lift rectum, sex organ, navel. And see the beautiful imagery at the third eye space. Exhale, relax. And relax onto your backs. In the meditative space, relax on your backs.
Thanks for watching on YouTube. Best easy way to stay in touch with us. Hit the subscribe button here. You'll see our videos when they come up. If you enjoyed this one, hit the like button. It'll help more people see it, help the channel grow. I appreciate you watching.